Some days you just lie there, feeling lost. Getting up feels harder than it should. It feels like your whole world is paused. You're stuck between your past and an unclear future. Your old life doesn't fit you anymore. You say you're fine, but you're tired. Everything on your plate feels meaningless. But something small inside is starting to shift. Others move ahead while you feel stuck. You question your path and your timing. But feeling lost just means you're rerouting. You're slowly piecing your map back together. It's dark now, and you can't see the way. But moving even a little brings light. Clarity comes one tiny step at a time. Start by fixing one small thing. Write down one honest thought. Reach out, even a little. Choose one task, just one. A tiny 1% push is enough. Let go of habits that hold you back. Walk away from what drains you. Release your old self. Let your real self rise. You're not broken. You're rebuilding. You're becoming someone new. The storm will pass. This is your turning point. Focus on a few simple steps. Take the next small step. Do one small thing today. The path clears as you move. Each step makes you better. The fog begins to fade. You move toward calm and hope. And now a new path begins.